How to make Google your homepage on Chrome. Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you a simple trick how you can make Google your homepage on Chrome. So let's get started. So guys, to get started, click on these three dots here in the upper right corner of your display, and next select settings with that gear icon at the bottom of that drop down menu. Now as you can see, this is in Polish for me, but it will be in English for you, and the steps are basically all the same no matter the language. And once you're inside your settings on Chrome, head over to appearances here on the left hand side, and after that guys, make sure that option here, show homepage, is enabled for you, and make sure also that this one here below, show new tab, is selected for you and not the option below. That will make Google your homepage on Google Chrome whenever you open a new tab or your homepage. Alternately, you may make another website your homepage here on Chrome by simply entering its URL here in this box below. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.